All right, we're going to do the last part 3 of activity 1.2.3. So let's get started. First thing is I'm going to go open up my unit 1 folder. We'll go up to the blue create button. We'll select document. We'll give it a good name. So 1.2.3 part 3. Hit OK. We'll go up and we'll turn off our top plane and our right plane. We only need the front. Let's go to our sketch tool. Let's click on our front plane. You can see that we're in sketch mode. I'm going to come over to my front cube, flip it at me. I'm actually going to go to a 2-point rectangle. We're going to start at our origin as always, because that helps us out. I'm going to open up a little rectangle. We'll go to our dimensioning tool, and if we look, we'll see that our overall width on our front view is 5 inches. And then we'll see that our height is actually 3. All right, we'll pan this down so we can see it a little bit better. I'm going to hit the escape key to get out of my rectangle tool. Now I'm going to do all this in one big extrusion. So I'm going to come back up here to my rectangle tool. And I'm going to click on that corner and I'm going to bring down a rectangle. If I look carefully at my drawing, I know that from this first step down to the bottom is 1 inch. I know that from here all the way over this edge, let me grab that again, from here to here is actually 4 inches. So I'm going to push that in that way. There's that first step. I'm going to make another 2-point rectangle. I'm going to start right at this corner and bring that down. I'll go back to my dimensioning tool. And I don't know, from this edge all the way over this edge, grab it again. It's actually 3 inches. And I do know that from the bottom of this step all the way down to the bottom of my part is 2 inches. So I'm going to punch those in. The next I see that I have a big circle. So let's go to our circle and put it in. Now, as always, there's 3 things we have to do when we do a circle. So I'm going to hit escape key and get out of there. We need to dimension it. So we need to locate it up and down. So when we locate a circle, it's always to the center. So I'm going to grab the center of that and my line down here. And if I look at my drawing, that says it's 1.25. So now I've just located it up and down. Now I need to locate it left and right. So again, we grab the center of our circle. We grab this line, we bring it down here, and that is 1.5. The last thing is we need to give it a size. And when we do size, we're not grabbing the center of the circle, we're grabbing this outside edge here. So let's grab the outside edge and bring that down, and it says it's 1.5 for my diameter. So I'm looking pretty good. Let's hit our green check mark, get out of sketch mode. Let's go into isometric mode so we can see what's happening. Okay, let's go to extrude. And now I'm going to grab that shape right here. I'm going to pull it backwards. And the depth of my part is 3 inches. So let's get 3 in there. I think it's looking pretty good. Hit the green check mark. I'm going to turn off my front plane. And there is part 3 of activity 1.2.3.